Good morning, grade 4. Our lesson for today is about the effective group discussion. What is an effective group discussion? An effective group discussion is one in which the group is able to accomplish its purpose or to establish a basis either for ongoing discussion or for further contact and collaboration among its members. There are two basic elements of an effective group discussion. 1. All members of the group have a chance to speak, expressing their own ideas and feelings freely, and to pursue and finish out their thoughts. And number 2, group members can safely test out ideas that are not yet fully formed. Every one of you might lead a group discussion because it is part of your job. Second, you've been asked to. Number 3, a discussion is necessary and you have the skills to lead it. And number 4, it was your idea in the first place. The do's for discussion leaders. 1. Model the behavior and attitudes you want group members to employ. Number 2. Use encouraging body language and tone of voice, as well as words. Number 3. Give positive feedback for joining the discussion. And number 4. Be aware of people's reaction and feelings and try to respond appropriately. And also, ask open-ended questions. Control your own biases. Encourage disagreement and help the group use it creatively. Be a recorder if necessary and keep your mouth shut as much as possible. And listen carefully of what other is saying.